Good morning, friends! Today I will explain about the material, which is the science semester assignment for semester 1. First, I will explore about 3 types of materials. There are solids, liquids, and gases. Did you know that solid, liquids, and gases have different characteristics? I will explain the differences. First, solid. When you look at solid objects, you will see that it is different than liquid and gas. Solid have color, shape, texture, and hardness. For example, book. Mostly, the book's shape is square. The hardness when we press is hard. It is because the particle of books or solid is close together and doesn't have spaces between them. So solid has a fixed shape. Second, liquid. Liquid objects don't have any shape. The liquid take the size of the container, so they don't have a shape. For example, a glass of water. The shape of the water is the same like the glass because they take the shape of it. It is because the particle of water or liquid isn't close together, have a bit spaces, and moves freely enough. Liquid have fixed volume but don't have fixed shape. Third, gases. Gases don't have shape, texture, and hardness. We can't see them or even touch them. The particle of air or gases not close each other have more spaces and moves extremely. So gases don't have fixed volume or shape. Now, I will do an experiment of evaporation and condensation to understand the changes between liquid to gas and gas to liquid. First, evaporation. I will use this water into the diffuser. After that, I will close the diffuser and heat the water in it. I use the electricity to heat the water. The water becomes gases. Let me explain why the water changes to gases. The water or liquid gains heat from the energy. The heated particles move faster and further apart. The water slowly changes into gas until the water becomes gas. You can see the gas fills in. This is called evaporation. Smells good. Second, condensation. Now I will take some ice and I put in a small glass. But first, look at the glass. The glass is dry enough. Now I will put again the ice to the bowl so we can see the condensation on the glass. Look at the glass. The outside of the glass shows water droplets. Let me explain why there are water droplets. Ice cube has a cold gases, and the gas getting less heat. The gases particles move slower and closer together. The cold gas slowly turns into liquid until the cold gas becomes into water droplets in the outside of the glass. This is called condensation. In a daily life, we use many kinds of material, such as liquid or water. Did you know that water is important in our daily life? Our body needs water to make energy, to be more hydrated and be healthier. In conclusion, the differences between solid, liquid, and gas is the characteristics, particles, volume, and shapes. Evaporation means it is when the liquid gains heat then becomes gas. Condensation means it is when gas gains less heat then becomes liquid. That's all about my science semester assignment for semester 1. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you, friends and Miss Julia. See you later at my other assignment and more. Bye!